You're texting your crush, let's go. Hey, I saw something today that reminded me of you. Hey, I saw something today that reminded me of you and I couldn't stop smiling. I don't know why, but texting you always makes my day better. Every time your name pops up on my phone, my mood instantly improves. I kinda miss talking to you today. We didn't text much today and I kinda miss talking to you. Tell me something cute before I sleep. I'm going to bed. Tell me something cute before I sleep. Is it weird that I like your voice messages way too much? I replayed your voice message twice. Is that weird? You always type ha, but I wanna make you laugh harder. You always type ha, but I wanna make you laugh harder, like really laugh. I was just about to text you. Funny timing, I was honestly just about to text you. You make boring days feel kinda special. It's strange, but you make boring days feel kinda special. Wait, why are you this cute? No, seriously, why are you this cute? I like the way you think. Your messages always surprise me. I really like the way you think. Stop being adorable. I'm trying to focus. I'm studying right now. Stop being adorable. I wasn't smiling until you texted. Not gonna lie, your message made me smile like an idiot. Send me a random picture of your day. I want to see what your day looks like. Send me a random picture. You're low-key my favorite notification. I turn my sound on only for your messages. Do you smile when you text me? Be honest. 'Cause I do, most of the time. I love how comfortable it feels talking to you. Even simple conversations with you feel easy and nice. I kinda wanna call you, but I don't wanna be annoying. Tell me if it's okay, I kinda wanna call you. What would you do if I was there right now? Just curious, what would you do if I was there right now? I saved your messages. Don't judge me. I saved the cute ones. For scientific reasons. Your trouble, the good kind. Talking to you feels like getting into good trouble. I love it when you text first. Not gonna lie, it makes me feel special. Tell me one thing you've never told anyone. Your turn, something small, something cute. Guess what? No, seriously, guess. I want to see your first thought. I like your energy. It's different. You have this vibe I don't get from anyone else. If you keep being this sweet, I'm gonna catch feelings. Actually, too late. Why do you always know what to say? It's suspicious at this point. I bet you look good today. Actually, I bet you look good every day. Text me when you get home, okay? Not because I'm controlling, because I care. I can't wait to see you again. I don't say this lightly, but yeah, I can't wait. Good night, don't dream about me too much. Or do. I won't complain. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.